Arjun Appadurai, 1996, contains that advances in the media together with changing migration patterns as people easily move around the world due the advancement of technology and transportation. This fundamentally changed the human life and gave way to globalization. Then I, two major say Arjun Appadurai. We have media and migration have dramatically changed human life and helped create what we now call globalization. Number one, it started media. With advances in television, film, the internet, and the social media, people can now see how others live life across the world, share ideas instantly, spread culture, fashion, music, and belief globally. This means culture is no longer limited to one country. For example, someone in Africa can watch Hollywood movies, listen to K-pop, or follow the political news in Europe in real time. Number two is migration, improved transportation, air travel, modern transport system, and communication technologies have made it easier for people to move to other countries for work or study, maintain connection with family back home, create multicultural communities. As people move, they bring the language, tradition, religion, and food with them. This mixes cultures across borders. It means a globalization. According to Appadurai, globalization is not just about economics or trade. It is about the flow of people, the flow of media information, the flow of culture and ideas. Because of the media and migration, people's identities, lifestyle, and imagination are no longer shaped only by their local environment. Instead, they are influenced by global connections. In short pa, advances in media plus easier migration equals interconnected world globalization. When Marshall McLuhan said, "The medium is the message," he meant that the form of the medium, such as television or smartphones, influences society more deeply than specific content it carries. The way information to deliver changes how people think, behave, and organize their lives. Um, this means television affects interaction patterns, communication, and even family relationship. The message of television is not only what is shown on a screen, but how it changes social behavior and home life. McLuhan idea suggests that media technologies themselves transform society. Television reorganize family interaction, while smartphones create a culture instant, continuous communication. The medium itself becomes the real message because it changes how we live and relate to others. Marshall McLuhan added that different media simultaneously extend and amputate human senses. New media may expand the reach of communication, but they also dull the user communicative capacities. Marshall McLuhan argued that the media technologies are extensions of human senses. This means that every new medium expands our natural abilities. For example, the telephone extends our voice across distance. Number two, television extends our sight and hearing to events happening far away. Next, the externet and smartphone extend our ability to communicate instantly and globally. However, McLuhan also said, when the media extend our senses, they simultaneously amputate or weaken other abilities. globalization could not occur without media. The statement of globalization could not occur without media means the global connection between countries, cultures, and people depends heavily on communication technologies. Media make it possible information, ideas, images, and cultural products to move quickly across borders. Globalization and media have proceeded together through time and supported this claim by outlining and development of media throughout time. The essence of cases idea is left in the statement that the media have made globalization. Globalization and media have developed together and over time. As the media technologies improve, globalization expanded. For example, the printing press helped spread ideas across nations. Telegraph and telephone allowed faster international communication. Radio and television shared news and culture globally. The internet and social media now connect people worldwide instantly. Each stage of media development increases the speed and scale of global interaction. When the scholars say media have made globalization, they mean that the media are main force enabling global communication, international business and trade, cultural exchange, music, films, fashion and news, political awareness across countries. And without media, the world would not be as interconnected as it's today. Media allow people to experience events happening far away, participate in global conversation, and influence one another across borders.